Welcome back to our channel Brain Fuel. So today we are going to discuss the topic Silent Valley Movement. I'll explain introduction, Silent Valley history background, KSEB, Silent Valley significance, importance and conservation status. I'll explain everything in detail. Please watch video till the end. So Silent Valley Movement. This is the notes for your exams or your normal notes, classworks, anything you can say. I'll just explain it briefly. So, imagine a beautiful ancient forest in Kerala called Silent Valley. This forest is true treasure filled with amazing trees, rare animals like lion-tailed macaque, and a river called Kunthipuzha. In 1970s, the government had a plan to build a huge dam on this river to create electricity. While generating power, it's important that this dam would have flooded a big part of the forest, destroying the homes of countless plants and animals. This is where the Silent Valley movement began. People, including scientists, writers, and local villagers, came together to say, "No, we can't let this happen." They started a powerful protest and protect the forest. So why was this movement so important? The movement was huge deal because it was one of the first major environmental protests in India. It showed people that they have a voice and can stand up for the nature, and they wanted to save their home. The protest was successful. The government eventually cancelled the dam project. Thanks to the movement, the Silent Valley was saved and later declared as National Park in 1985 as a symbol of hope. The Silent Valley movement became a symbol of environmental activism across India. It showed that development shouldn't come at the cost of destroying the natural world. It also helped raise awareness about the importance of protecting our forest and incredible biodiversity that they hold. This movement is a great example of how people power can make a big difference in protecting our planet for future generations. So next slides also holds the same topic. So Kunthipuzha, it explains everything in detail. So it started in 1928 and the decision was made by the British government to build dam, but in 1985 it started, I think. The survey started. Okay, this is just for your notes. I have already explained this on the previous slide only. Involvement of Kerala State Electricity Board. The plans for hydroelectric project that threatened the park's high diversity of wildlife stimulated. So what happened is in 1970s the Kerala State Electricity Board planned to build hydroelectric dam in the Silent Valley to generate electricity. Again they came. But this project would have flooded large parts of the forest, destroying the homes of rare animals and plants. This led to strong environmental protest called the Save Silent Valley Movement (SSVM). Scientists, poets, students, and local people joined their hands to protect the forest. Thanks to their effort, the project was cancelled and the Silent Valley was saved. So, why is this Silent Valley so special? This Silent Valley is not just a forest, it's treasure chest of life. Here is why. There are 16 bird species which are found here and either threatened or found only in this region. That means the Silent Valley is destroyed. These birds could disappear forever, like they will be extinct. They are endangered now, they will be extinct in the future. This forest is home for gaur, the largest wild cattle in the world. In total, there are 34 species of mammals, including some endangered, and there are 128 species of butterflies flutter around the forest, and more than 400 species of moths live here too. Too many of them are unique to this area. Silent Valley is so rich in life that scientists call it gene pool. a place full of genetic diversity. ICAR, the Indian Council of Agriculture Research, says that this forest is important for recombinant DNA research, which helps in developing new medicines, crops, and scientific innovations. So, the message for students is the Silent Valley teaches us that the development must respect nature. The movement showed how people can come together to protect something precious. It's a symbolic of ecological awareness, scientific activism, and community power. So this is the importance of the Silent Valley movement. You can read this, take a screenshot if you want to. Now moving to the next slide. Last but not least, in 1914, okay, so conservation status of Silent Valley. In 1914, the British government declared Silent Valley as a reserve forest. This meant the forest was protected from complete destruction, but some logging and forestry work was still allowed. Forestry operations in 1927 to 1976. Between 1927 and 1976, parts of Silent Valley were used for forestry operations. Trees were cut and the forest was disturbed through not fully cleared. This raised concern about the impact on the wildlife biodiversity. In 1983, after years of protest and public pressure, the central government told the Kerala state government to cancel all the hydroelectric dam project plans. This was a major victory for environmentalists and local communists. And in 1983 to 1985, this movement happened, like they declared it as a national park on November 15, 1983 to be precise. Silent Valley was officially declared as a national park, and this gave it strong legal protection. No logging, no construction, and no human interface. Even people are not allowed there now. On September 7, 1985, the park was formally inaugurated, part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. On September 1, 1986, Silent Valley National Park was made the core area of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. This protected the region that includes forest across Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. The Biosphere Reserve is recognized for its global ecological importance. So, Silent Valley is now one of the best protected rainforests in India. It is a home for rare animals, plants, and birds. Its conservation story teaches us how science, activism, and community action can protect nature for future generations. This is the end of the video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Also, drop a comment if you want me to explain in any other languages. Telugu, Hindi, English. Thanks for watching.